Condensed product because a lot of you get this kit and a special and would like to ask for do some encapsulating with this. So here you go. This is special for you if you are watching. Great. So here, this one for 60 seconds. I'm gonna doing this. She cute, huh? So then after you put the top coat on, you can see that how encapsulating and how beautiful it is. There you go. This is my best part. Like after you work and buff and fire create, it is not satisfies like when you putting a top coat on. Applying a top coat is the best part. You feel like your hard work pay off. Right? If anybody related, like you feel like, oh my God, now you can see it. Because like, it's funny, when you put it on, it looks so sparkle and shiny, and then you put the clear coat on, the clients freak out. And it's, oh my God, Nancy, is that gonna be shiny again? Or it's gonna be like that? And I want this glitter. Can you not cap anything on? It's so sweet of some of our clients. They said, no, it's gonna be shiny back again, but we have to cap it, or else it's gonna come off. So we have to cap that before we let you go. This one not bad at all. It's lighter. It's got a little bit hints in the blue in the back. Here you go. Yes, you are right, Angela. Likewise, your neighbors mowing. Say mowing the lawn. Then you can't hear anything. Can you do something with the green and gold color? Absolutely, Lindsay. You mean the greens earlier I showed you? Yes, we're definitely gonna do that one tomorrow for the jade nails. You mean the green colors, like dark green colors? I'm gonna show you this one. Is that's what you wanna see? So tomorrow's we're gonna do that one, like this jade looks. It's really simple, easy for all of us, especially for beginners. So tomorrow we're gonna do something like this, and then we can do it some fruit, and then I have other chart too. We can do like a pink drink and fruit parfait and all cool things. Definitely, Lindsay. Would love to. So this is like 3 cute nails. This one I was like mixing the color together and the 4th nails. But it's good today, right? 4 of them already. And let's move for something is really cool and fun. I know a lot of you were asking this, and